Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. The Directorate of Enforcement on Friday filed its response on Arvind Kejriwal's regular bail plea and said that the applicant Kejriwal is involved in commission of grave economic offences. There is ample of evidence on the record to link applicant to the commission of the offence of money laundering, and his release on bail would adversely affect the further investigation to unearth the deep-rooted multi-layered conspiracy, the ED said. The ED also filed the reply in the money laundering case related to the excise case, mentioned that accused Vinod Chauhan was responsible for transfer of rupees 25.5 crore from Delhi to Goa, which was received from Abhishek Bonpali, that is a representative of South Group, who also handled cash transfer in the quid pro quo arrangement. The examination of the digital device of Vinod Chauhan has revealed that the chats revealing a close relationship between the Vinod Chauhan and Arvind Kejriwal. Vinod Chauhan's proximity is also visible from the fact that the managing postings for officers in Delhi Jal Board through Arvind Kejriwal. The same is evident from the chat and a screenshot of an official note from the Delhi government which was approved, such as posting, the ED said. Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju along with Special Counsel Zohaib Hussain appeared in the Directorate of Enforcement, while a senior advocate N. Hariharan and advocate Vivek Jain appeared for Arvind Kejriwal in the bail hearing. The court on Friday deferred the arguments for 14 June after noting that ED had served reply copy to Arvind Kejriwal's lawyer just at 1 p.m. Recently, the same court dismissed the interim bail plea moved by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, seeking 7 days bail citing medical reasons. In the excise policy money laundering case, while dismissing the plea, the court directed the Tihar jail authorities to conduct all the required medical tests and avail treatment for the applicant Arvind Kejriwal. Meanwhile, the court also extended the judicial custody of him till June 19. Arvind Kejriwal was produced to the virtual mode before the court. In compliance with the Supreme Court directions, the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has surrendered himself before the Tihar jail on June 2. The same court on June 1 had kept the order reserved on the bail plea moved by Arvind Kejriwal. Recently, Kejriwal, through his legal team, has filed 2 different bail applications before the concerned court. His regular bail plea was listed for hearing on June 7. On May 28, the Roos Avenue Court kept reserved the order on cognizance point on ED's supplementary charge sheet filed against the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party convener in connection with a money laundering case related to now scrapped Delhi excise policy. The court, after hearing ED's submissions, fixed the matter for pronouncement of order on the cognizance on point of June 4. On May 17, the ED officials, along with the Special Public Prosecutor Naveen Kumar Matta, filed the charge sheet in Roos Avenue Court of Delhi. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.